Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Angel. Welcome to our English class where there is fun and adventure in learning. Are you ready to learn today? I can't hear you. Ooh. Listen to teacher inside the class. Raise your hand if you answer in class. You should sit properly and respect everyone. You must follow rules until the end. We the learners, we the learners, we the learners must follow rules. Right. And if you follow rules, you will have a surprise from our cupcake box. You want a surprise today?
Yes.
Oh, great. Let us start learning. I have here a mystery box. Who will be with us today? I want you to meet our friend Squishy Squid. Say hello to Squishy Squid. Hello, Squishy Squid. Squishy Squid is on the box. Say it again. On. Okay, where is Squishy Squid right now? Can you find Squishy Squid? Yes, Squishy Squid is in the box. How about now? Where is Squishy Squid? Huh? Correct! Squishy Squid is under the box. Let us put Squishy Squid again on top of the box. Squishy Squid will be with us today. Thank you, Squishy Squid. Our lesson for today is all about preposition. Say it again. Preposition. In, on, under are examples of preposition. Say it with me. On, in, under. On, in, under. That is great. Teacher Angel have an art box here. I will call you and you're going to put all the materials on its proper place. Are you ready? Anna, will you put this tape on the table? On the table. That is right, Anna. You put the tape on the table. How about you, Emma? Will you put this glue in the bag? In the bag. That is correct. Emma, put the glue in the bag. How about you, June? June, will you put these markers under the chair? Under the chair. That is correct, June. You put the markers under the chair. Are you learning today? That's great. Who wants to play a game? Let us play a game. And Squishy Squid will go in to play with us. Are you ready? Let us form a big circle. Once you hear the music start, you're going to pass Squishy Squid on your classmate. And when the music stops, whoever holding Squishy Squid will have to put Squishy Squid on its proper place. Are you ready? Let us start. Oh, Anna, you're holding Squishy Squid. Anna, will you put Squishy Squid in your jacket? In your jacket. Correct! Squishy Squid is in Anna's jacket. Again, the music starts. Oh, Emma, you're holding Squishy Squid. Emma, will you put Squishy Squid under your shoes? Under your shoes. That is right. Squishy Squid is under your shoes. Let's play again. La, la. Oh, June, you're holding Squishy Squid. June, please put a Squishy Squid on the table. On the table. Correct. Squishy Squid is now on the table. Congratulations, everyone. You all win today because you all learned today. See you again next time. Happy learning.